Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Surface Pro 11 for first time, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Surface Pro 11. Locate the device, the power adapter, and the quick start guide. Place your Surface Pro 11 on a flat, stable surface. Connect the power adapter to the Surface Pro 11. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Press and hold the power button located on the top edge of the device. Wait for the Surface logo to appear on the screen. Once the device powers on, select your preferred language. Tap Next to continue the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Choose your network from the list and enter the password. Tap Connect to establish the Wi-Fi connection. After connecting, the device may check for updates. This process could take a few moments. Follow the on-screen instructions to start setting up your Surface. You will be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account. Enter your email and password for your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, select Create One to set it up. Once signed in, follow the prompts to configure privacy settings. You can choose to enable or disable location services. Next, you may set up a PIN for quicker access to your device. Create a PIN and confirm it when prompted. After setting up your PIN, the device will finalize the setup. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once complete, you will see the Windows desktop. You can now explore the apps available on your Surface Pro 11. Enjoy personalizing your device to suit your preferences. Ensure to check for further updates in the settings menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.